Millie Adrian is on a mission to teach aspiring influencers how to monetize their Instagram presence effectively. Her content creation journey began in 2008 on YouTube, sparking a love for engaging storytelling. After entering the corporate world, Millie craved the creativity she lost, fueling her Instagram side hustle. Her lifestyle blog, @itsmodernmillie, showcased a delightful mix of fashion, travel, and personal anecdotes. As her following grew, so did questions about her success, igniting her passion for teaching on YouTube. In 2019, she ventured into full-time content creation, building a large audience and substantial income through courses. Millie launched 3 courses on Thinkific, ensuring they addressed the needs of aspiring content creators perfectly. By conducting market research, she priced her main course competitively, balancing quality with accessibility for her audience. In order to enhance her students' experience, Millie created a supportive Facebook group, fostering ongoing dialogue and learning. Despite the demand, she learned the importance of boundaries to prevent burnout, hiring a team to support her business. For aspiring creators, Millie encourages a steady approach to growth, emphasizing the significance of consistent, incremental progress.